everyone, I'm Rossella and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. Today I have a wonderful guest, Nonna Cecilia. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody. It's nice to be here.
Again,
Yes.
Nonna Cecilia's a regular on Cooking with Nonna now because she is so talented at so many things, but particularly you are the cookie expert.
You can say that.
You can say that? You're a little bit modest, I think, because she makes the most amazing cookies. And today, what special cookie did you bring for us?
We're making, what do you call them again in English?
We're making cestini.
Cestini,
in
right.
Italian, and they translate to little basket cookies. So it's going to be a kind of like a little pie in a cookie, but it's a little crust, and we're going to fill it with a delicious filling of walnuts and brown sugar and butter, and it's going to be so yummy.
It's very good. They're very good. Yes.
And they look really impressive because they're these little tiny filled cookies, but they're actually very easy to make.
They are. They are.
So we're going to talk a little bit about our ingredients. So what do we need for the crust part?
The crust part, you need the butter, cream cheese, and flour.
Okay, and then our filling is?
The eggs, the brown sugar, walnuts, and butter.
And of course, a little bit of vanilla.
Yes, vanilla.
So easy peasy, few ingredients. And what's the first thing we're going to do?
We're going to put the butter in.
Okay, and this is room temperature?
Yes, I have it soft now.
Softened butter, of course.
Okay, then we need that. The cream cheese.
We want to work the butter a little bit first, though. Get it nice and fluffy.
You can put the cream cheese in.
There we go. And
Put the
then
flour.
we're going to add our flour. Make sure your mixer's on the low for this so you don't get
Don't splash it all over.
You don't get splashed. And again, for the exact measurements and the full recipe, please head over to cookingwithnonna.com and we'll have a link right below in the box. And our dough is starting to come together really nicely.
Okay, that's about enough. Okay, that's more than enough.
Okay. So we're going to take out some plastic wrap. And spatula. And we're going to take our dough out and we're going to wrap it up and we're going to refrigerate this for about an hour until it becomes firm. And in the meantime, we are going to start our filling. Okay, so our dough is chilling and we are ready to make our filling.
Right.
All right. So this is so super easy, this filling.
Yes, you got to put the 2 eggs.
So we're going to crack some eggs. And when did you start making these cookies?
Oh, it was a long time, but I don't know how many years I make.
You don't know?
About 6, 7.
6, 7? Probably more than that.
More.
Maybe more. Maybe a few more.
These are my sister-in-law taught me how to do them.
Okay. And butter?
Yeah, beat them up first.
Beat up some eggs first? Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, put the butter in.
Scoop that out. Okay. Some softened butter, very important.
Yes.
That it's soft. And you just want to get this mixed.
Right,
well
that the butter will be, see, the pieces. And you got to put it here.
Some vanilla.
Yes.
Just a little bit.
A tablespoon. What is that? Teaspoon? Put the teaspoon in.
I like a lot of vanilla.
I put a little bit more if you want.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know.
No, because that gives you the flavor, you know.
Yeah.
That is the flavor. Then you could start putting those in.
Okay, so we have our
The walnuts, right.
And can you use other nuts if you want to?
If you want to. If you want to.
You can use almonds, you can use hazelnuts.
Anything you like.
And we got some brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Okay. And it's all coming together really nicely.
Right.
It smells wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
It smells very sugary. Beautiful. And now this is going to go inside our little crust.
Right, and the little cups. That's it.
So those are just some crushed walnuts. If you have a food processor, if you have a Vitamix or a blender, just crush them up as coarsely as you want.
Right.
Because if you do it a little more
Fine.
a little more fine, you get smaller bites of nuts. If you do it a little bigger, you get bigger bites.
Bigger bites, right.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Nothing at all.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing.
So now we have our dough that's been chilling. We have our little mini muffin pan. And we're going to unwrap this. And we're going to make some little balls, right?
Right.
Okay. So you show me
I'll just make a little
the
ball,
size.
that's all.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just going to drop them into this ungreased mini muffin pan. Okay.
That's it. Now, I have that little thing.
Your
I
special
find this,
tool.
And this is easier. But if you don't have this, you could do it with your hands and make a little basket. But I find this much easier.
So this
But
is
you could do it with your hand.
a
with
very
your,
specific
yeah,
Nonna tool.
I
think
love that.
is-
Because see, especially if you have long nails, you make the holes.
You have fabulous nails. You
And-
do.
Thank you. And and you see.
So this is like a mallet, or is this to crush things, or is this?
I think it's that thing. That thing.
Where
is
did this
just
come
for
from? Just for this?
We bought it. I don't know. My children bought it for me,
Okay.
just for these.
Well, this is very convenient for this exact cookie.
Yes, it is. I'll show you.
Okay.
You put it in here like that. It doesn't stick to the little balls that we did. And you go like this.
Well, I think everybody needs
You
one
see?
of these.
I think it's a terrific tool. I love it. You see?
Yes.
You don't have to do anything.
I try?
Yes,
Okay.
go ahead.
So you just take the.
And push it in.
Okay.
Go around like this. Like that.
Yes.
It goes
To
like this.
spread it.
No,
Okay.
like this.
Twist it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see.
See?
I see.
That's it.
Oh, that's
No,
perfect.
don't put it on without the flour.
Okay.
It's going to get
Ah.
stuck.
Okay. Oh, that's.
Believe me,
perfect.
if you're going
But
to do these, this is the best
If
tool.
you don't have that, then you would just spread
Right.
this
With your
around
fingers,
with your
right.
fingers, which is very, very possible.
Yeah, a lot of people. I used to do it before I got that tool, but I think I find it much, much easier.
And you just want to make a little basket. If you need a little bit more dough when you do it with your hands, that's fine.
Yeah, make it bigger, the ball.
Yeah. Excellent. Okay. So now we can start, we can fill.
You can get a this
We're
teaspoon
going to
and
get
put
the
it
spoon.
in. Yes.
We're just going to spoon this filling.
Not too much because it will.
Of course, not too much. So about a spoon per little
Even a little bit less.
little basket.
Because when they start cooking it, will
Yeah,
come up. You
it'll
know?
puff a little bit
That's it.
because there are eggs in this.
Right.
This is going to be so fantastic. It's going to taste a little caramelly because of the cooked sugar.
They're really delicious. The smell and the taste.
And
very
these are
good.
easy. I mean, this is
Yeah.
like the best invention since
It
sliced
is.
bread.
It is. As I said before, I used to call my friends, say, come in, do it because I have no patience.
But other than that,
But
this
when
is
I got that,
such an easy crust,
Yes,
and it's
it
an
is.
easy filling.
Mhm.
And I think they look so beautiful when they're baked. In little baskets.
okay, Rossella, now we finished filling them up. You could put them in the oven
Okay.
at 375 for 12, 15 minutes.
Okay.
I think it shall do.
And in a few minutes, we're going to be able to taste these. 'Cause
Right.
I cannot wait.
They're very good.
Okay, so these are our little baskets, all cooled and ready. So we're just gonna pop them right out. And we have our cute little dish to put them on. Aw. They smell amazing.
They do.
And we're gonna just finish these off with a little bit of powdered sugar. Just a little bit.
They dress them up. The powdered sugar dresses them up.
Dresses them up a little bit.
Right.
And these are perfect, and I cannot wait to taste one.
Go ahead, taste it.
You gotta taste one too.
Me too?
Yeah, you too.
Okay.
You work so hard.
Okay.
The crust is flaky and delicious.
They're good. They come out good.
And the nuts and the brown sugar taste so caramelly and wonderful.
But that's what gives us the flavor.
So beautiful. I love these. And these were so easy to make. Thank you for teaching me how to make these.
Quite welcome.
I think these are going to be very popular for the holidays.
Yes, they are. They're very popular for the holidays.
I know everybody that you make them for. They love them.
Everybody.
Well, thank you for coming back, Nonna Cecilia.
My pleasure.
Thank
My
you for
pleasure.
being my Nonna today.
Thank you for having me.
And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and share. We will see you next time. Ciao.
Bye-bye.